What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. When it comes to protecting your wheels, ceramic coatings are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. Wheels are constantly exposed to extreme conditions, high temperatures from braking, aggressive brake dust, road grime, salt, and strong wheel cleaners. Without proper protection, even high-quality wheels can fade, stain, or corrode over time. That's where ceramic wheel coatings come in. A good wheel coating creates a heat-resistant, chemical-resistant barrier that prevents brake dust from bonding to the surface, makes cleaning easier, and keeps your wheels looking newer for longer. In this video, we're going to take a deep look at 4 of the best ceramic wheel coatings available today. Let's start with CarPro Deluxe, one of the most well-established wheel and trim coatings on the market. One of the key reasons Deluxe performs so well on these surfaces is its thicker coating structure and high silica content, which allows it to handle the constant abuse that wheels, plastics, and trim are exposed to. This thicker film build helps create long-lasting hydrophobic protection, reducing the amount of brake dust and road grime that can bond to the surface. On painted, polished, or even chrome wheels, this coating creates a slick, protective layer that actively resists brake dust buildup and road contamination. In many cases, this means you can clean your wheels without relying on strong, dedicated wheel cleaners, as most dirt rinses away easily with water or a mild shampoo. DLEX can last up to a year on wheels, offering durable protection along with noticeable visual enhancement. Overall, it is an excellent option for anyone looking for proven durability, strong chemical resistance, and the added benefit of restoring and protecting plastic and trim. Next up is Guyon Q 2 Rim Evio, a ceramic coating developed specifically for wheel protection and engineered to handle extreme temperatures. Guyon rates this coating to withstand heat levels of up to 800 degrees Celsius, placing it among the most heat-resistant wheel coatings available. It forms a heat-resistant protective layer that limits contamination bonding and slows down surface wear caused by brake dust and road grime. By reducing how strongly contaminants attach to the wheel, it noticeably cuts down brake dust buildup and makes cleaning much easier over time. With proper preparation and maintenance, Guyon rates durability at up to 12 months, delivering dependable protection throughout its lifespan. For those who want strong heat resistance, reduced brake dust buildup, and noticeably easier wheel maintenance without altering the appearance of the wheels, it fits that role extremely well. Moving on to G-Tech Nix C5 Wheel Armor, a ceramic coating that has built a strong reputation for reliability, simplicity, and consistent results. C5 will retain its integrity up to temperatures of 600 degrees Celsius or 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for all parts of your vehicle's rims and brake calipers. C5 Wheel Armor uses advanced ceramic chemistry to form a durable, hydrophobic barrier on the wheel surface. This barrier actively repels brake dust, dirt, and road grime, helping wheels stay cleaner for longer periods of time. As contamination has a harder time bonding to the surface, regular washing becomes quicker and requires far less effort. In real-world use, durability typically ranges between 6 and 12 months, depending on driving conditions and maintenance, with many users seeing extended performance when the wheels are properly cared for. For anyone looking for a high-performance wheel coating that combines strong protection, hydrophobic behavior, and an exceptionally easy application process, G-Tech Nix C5 Wheel Armor continues to be a trusted and dependable option. Finally, we have Carbon Collective Platinum Wheels, a premium ceramic coating developed specifically for wheel protection, with a strong focus on durability, chemical resistance, and ease of maintenance. This coating is designed to become the active protective layer on top of the wheel surface, shielding it from brake dust, road contamination, and everyday wear. Platinum Wheels uses a high-solid ceramic formula with true 9H hardness. Once cured, it creates a super hydrophobic and extremely slick surface that significantly reduces brake dust bonding and makes wheels far easier to clean. Heat resistance is rated up to 350 degrees Celsius, making it suitable not only for wheels but also brakes. When applied as a full two-coat system, It offers durability of up to 2 years, allowing wheels to stay protected and easier to maintain over long periods of use. Choosing a ceramic coating for your wheels isn't about finding a miracle solution. It's about improving durability, reducing contamination buildup, and making long-term maintenance more manageable. Wheels operate in one of the harshest environments on a vehicle, and consistent protection plays a major role in preserving both appearance and surface integrity. A properly applied wheel coating helps limit brake dust bonding, slows down chemical and thermal wear, and reduces the need for aggressive cleaning methods. As with any form of surface protection, preparation, correct application, and ongoing maintenance are what determine the final result. When those fundamentals are done right, ceramic wheel coatings become a practical tool for extending the life of your wheels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which wheel coating you're currently using and why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.